C6 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics, and this is a well-maintained, extremely clean example. This one's a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 3LT package. Best of all, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed actual mile car, just a little over 39,000 is all in this one. Of course, 08 6.2 liter underneath the hood. And that's paired up with a 6-speed paddle shift automatic. And you can see that front fascia, it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches, rock chips, touch up. Again, extremely clean car, Arctic white, titanium interior. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Does have the optional chrome aluminum wheels. And you see the drilled rotors behind that. Michelin radial tires. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I don't really notice much for a touch-up or a chip on this car. Interior just as clean in that titanium. Two-tone interior. As you can see, it does have the navigation stereo system in it, as well as that magnetic selective ride control. It has the removable transparent top. The windows have been tinted to match this rear glass. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. And if you want to know the exact options that this car was equipped with from the factory, you'll be able to see it on the window sticker in with those still pictures. And I just mentioned a few of them, the chrome aluminum wheels, of course that magnetic selective ride control, two-tone seats, removable transparent top, and that navigation system. All options. Center dump exhaust, you're going to notice that that is a Borla aftermarket exhaust, and it sounds good. Nothing over the top, just a nice throaty exhaust note. Also, cold air intake has been installed. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. I want you to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We take a look down this driver's side. If you like Corvettes, no matter what year, C1s to C8s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. You can do that online or right off our showroom floor, and you can see driver's side of this car just as clean as the rest of it. And then remember, 3LT package, so this thing is nicely equipped. Heads-up display, driver's information center, again, the paddle shift automatic, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power stereo system along with that navigation. Of course, the seating surfaces, also nice shape, power seat over here on the driver's side, the embroidered Corvette logo, and the headrest, heated seats. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We'll take a peek underneath the hood, show you how that engine bay looks also, and remember, stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's your exact miles, 39,583. No service engine soon, check engine lights, anything like that. Heads up display, working. Sorry, it's out of there. There we go. There we go. Focus. Dash, looking good. Again, navigation, radio, electronic dual climate control, heated seats. All the goodies from the 3LT package. And I mentioned that nice deep throaty exhaust note. There you go. There will be a car cover that goes along with this car. It also has a privacy net so you can't see what's in the cargo, and a nice organizer that sits right behind the seat so your stuff doesn't slide around in there. That'll be going with it also. Let's go ahead and get this hood open. And you can see this car has not been driven in climate weather. Look at that hood liner. They don't get much cleaner than this one, folks. There's that LS3 6.2 liter K&N. Cold air intake up front, let it breathe a little bit. Again, exhaust, cold air intake modified, professionally done. Battery replaced with AC Delco. Yeah, I don't think you're going to find one much cleaner. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 3LT package. Check out the window sticker. Very nicely equipped car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette. If there's any flickering lights on our dash, that's just the camera's frame rate. The dash is looking great. This car with less than 40,000 miles on it. An automatic transmission, so it's easy to drive for anybody. Very nice sounding Corvette. Our temperature on the gauge is 195, oil pressure about 45 psi. The battery's charging over 14 volts and the fuel gauge is reading a quarter of a tank. The speedometer and tachometer working as they should. Stereo sounds great. Very clear. I'm looking through a see-through top that is removable on this Corvette. Always a fun feature to have. Leather bucket seats, of course, very comfortable. This also equipped with paddle shifting. So if you want to go down and up quickly, you put this in S mode and shift it with the paddles, almost like a manual without a clutch. Brakes are feeling good. Very easy to steer. Corners amazing, as Corvette should. At that heads-up display for the speedometer and the tachometer right in the glass. You don't even have to look away from the road. Take a look at all the pictures of this Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.